Hi, welcome to this class on the past perfect tense. Past perfect tense is advanced level tense, but it is not difficult. So let's understand when to use it and how to use it. Before I want to start past perfect tense, first I want to revise past simple tense. We use the past simple verb tense to talk about events that happened at a specific time in the past. Usually, in these sentences, there is a word like yesterday or last year which shows the action happened at a time in the past that is finished. Example, I went there last week. It shows that action is finished. Past simple keywords yesterday, last week, last month, last year. Got it? Let's go ahead. I washed my clothes yesterday. I met her in 2008. These actions happen in the past. They are finished. Now, let's look at some examples with the two action in the past. First example is I went to the store, then I bought oranges. First action is I went to the store, and second action is I bought oranges. Second example is I woke up and brushed my teeth. First action is I woke up, and second action is brush my teeth. This is usually how we speak and tell stories. We start with the earliest action, waking up, and then describe what happened next, brushing your teeth. This is speaking chronological, which means describing the earliest event and then what happened after it. Okay, so present perfect tense allows you to talk about things that happen in the past in much more interesting and powerful way. It allows us to show or talk about two or more things happen in the past, and we want to show which of those things happened first in the past. We use past perfect tense to show that an action happened before another action in the past. There are usually two things. Use past perfect for the action that happened first and use past tense for the action that happened second. Use these conjunctions to join the past perfect with the past tense. When, before, and after. The structure is subject plus had plus verb third form plus one slash before plus subject plus verb second form plus rest of the sentences. Subjects are I, we, you, they, he, she, it. With all subjects, we're gonna use had, and after had, we will use third form of the verb, which is also known as past participle. Then conjunctions before and when. After that, again subject, and then verb second form, and then rest of the sentences. First, we will be use the past perfect tense structure and then simple past tense structure. It will describe the two actions. Examples are Salman played cricket at 10:30. He ate lunch at 12:30. Salman had played cricket before he ate lunch. Ali came to the party at 11. We went from the party at 10:30. We had gone from the party when Ali came. In sentence A, Salman's first action was that he played cricket. Therefore, past perfect tense is used to talk about it. Salman had played. And his second action was that he ate lunch. Therefore, past tense is used to talk about it. He ate lunch. Both sentences, past perfect and past tense, are joined with the conjunctions before. In sentence B, the past perfect tense is used for the first action. We had gone from the party. Past tense is used for the second action. Ali came. Both sentences, past perfect and past tense, are joined with the conjunction when. Then we have the second usage. An action that happened before another time in the past. Structure: subject plus had plus verb second form plus before plus time. Sana's husband came at 12:30 yesterday. She cooked at 12. Sana had cooked before 12:30. Got it? Grammar term is a pluperfect, another term for past perfect tense. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any kind of question so far, please comment me. I will give you the answer.